my HyuneeBees, it's your girl Hyunee, and today I'm going to be eating Korean roll, kimbap, and kimchi. So let's dig in because I'm so hungry. So today I decided to do somewhat of a healthy mukbang because I came across this one comment on Instagram.
Yeah, I decided to unfollow her because she's been eating too much noodles and she's been making me want to eat noodles.
That made me really sad and happy at the same time. Happy because that's saying that I'm doing my job right? I'm eating and making you guys gain your appetite. But the fact that this honeybee unfollowed me because of that made me sad. Stack them up. Gonna use my hand today. Kimchi. But you know what? Kimbap goes so well with cup ramen noodles. So I have 1 cup ramen noodle on the side here. I hope you guys can forgive me. If you guys didn't know this trick, let me tell you guys. So with the lid, you can actually make a bowl. Fold it in half. And if you want a bigger bowl, you can fold it halfway. Or if you want a small bowl, you can fold it all the way. But we're going to do a big bowl. Ta-da! And then go like this. And cool it off. And for some reason, noodles taste so much better this way. Especially cup ramen noodles. You can also dunk your kimbap in there. Whenever I would go on picnics, I would eat it with these noodles. The soup is the best part. Let's do a kimchi wrapped Korean roll. Let's get 2 in there. Can Hyunee do it? So a few videos ago, remember how I asked you guys about relationship. Well, I came across this one comment, and this honeybee said, hardest part is still remaining in love. I've been busy with my husband for almost 11 years, and we have 2 kids. Work, stress, family, growing older, etc. are constant factors that can wear a relationship down. So, I want to ask my other honeybees, what are some ways you guys keep that spark in your relationship? You know, as the longer you're in a relationship, sometimes that spark just dies down. I know some couples have like date nights every week, date nights every month without the kids. I think it's essential for you to have at least one date night in every 2 weeks. I'm just gonna eat this piping hot. Like the consistency of these noodles are so thin and different too. It just goes so well with the kimbap. But sometimes in relationships, we take each other for granted. And that's a no-no. When I was little, I always looked at my mom as just my mom. I didn't think she was a woman before a mom. Do you know what I mean? But before my mom's a mom, she's still a woman. I think one other important way to keep that spark alive is to compliment each other a lot and like touch them like, oh, you look so good today, honey. You look beautiful. What is your love language? So there are 5 love languages like words, physical, let me look it up. So the 5 love languages is words of affirmation, acts of service, receiving gifts, quality time, and physical touch. For me, receiving is words of affirmation for sure. So what about you guys, my honeybees? I think it's important to know each other's love languages. And that way it could keep your love alive. This kimchi is huge. Even after you have kids, I think it's important to have alone time together. So if you even have to, leave your kids with your parents or your friends or even hire a nanny, I think that's really important. I'm sure I have a lot of honeybees who have been in a relationship for a long, long time. So please comment down below and help this honeybee out. And help all the other honeybees out who are in love. And I would love to know too. Because, guess what? I'm in love. I'm in love with Tom Holland. I recently went to go watch his movie and wow. I was like, throughout the whole movie, I was like, Tom. I don't think I could ever get sick of Avengers movies. Some people are like, it's always the same thing. You just fight the, evil, the bad people, and it's over. But no, each storyline is different. And each movie is just as exciting for me. Did you know that if you eat hot stuff on a hot day, hot soupy stuff, it actually cools your body down? Did you guys know that? Let's do the last bite. Kimbap cake. No! Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And to become a honeybee, and like this video if you guys liked it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.